Hello everybody, it's great to have you here again and welcome to this video about course enrollments in Moodle. Let me just start by saying there are quite a few different ways how you can enroll students in existing courses. But you can use all these different enrollment methods in the same course, so you are not restricted to have only one particular enrollment method for a course. However, in this video, we will learn how you as a teacher or admin can enroll students manually in an existing course. But let's first understand that users can only be enrolled in a course when they have an account on your Moodle site, so when they went through the authentication process. Therefore, when we go to our list of users on Site Administration, Users, and then Browse List of Users, these are the users you can enroll manually in your courses. Let's do that now. It's very easy. You navigate to your course either through your personal dashboard or the left-hand navigation. In your course, you then click on the Participants button in the left-hand navigation as well. And from here you can see a list of all users that are enrolled in that course. You can sort this list of participants by first name or last name, or even apply a filter to search for particular participants by keywords or roles, etc. At the moment, I don't have any participants in the course. This user is just myself, and I have the role as teacher, as you can see here. To enroll a user or several users, you just click on the Enroll Users button. In the Select User section, type in the first name and last name of the student that you want to have enrolled. And it will bring up the list of students with that name that you're searching for. I don't have many users on my site, that's why this user came up straight away. Then you just click on the name of the user you want to enroll, and the name appears on top in a blue box. If you like, you can only enroll one user, or you can add more users, actually as many as you like. To do that, same process again, type in the name here, and select the user from the proposed list. You can do this, as I said, with as many people as you like. If you realize, hey, I actually don't want to enroll this particular person, you just click on the X of the block and the user disappears from the selection. How to enroll cohorts, that's going to be the next thing that we're going to do. Let's finish enrolling this user first. After selecting the user, you now want to assign a role to that particular person. So to be more clear, you want to determine the role the user should have within the course. If you are enrolling students, you select student as a role. If you are maybe enrolling another teacher, you select teacher. If you like, you can determine the date when the students should be enrolled and also when you want them to automatically unenroll from the course, so get deleted from the course. Just click on Show More and you can either select the enrollment duration or determine when the enrollment should end. If you don't want any of that, you don't have to determine anything. Once you're ready to go, you just click on Enroll Selected Users and Cohorts. And in the participants overview of the course, you can now see that this user is enrolled in the course with the student role that you have given the user. In the participants overview, or course participants overview, I should rather say, you can also change the enrollment duration that we just set up. Just click on the edit icon next to the user and you see the same screen as we saw before with enrollment start date and end date or the duration. What you can also do from here is suspend a user on a course level. So not suspend the user from your entire Moodle site, only take away the access to this particular course. You as a teacher would then still see the user in, for example, the grade overview, but that user won't be able to access the course anymore. To unenroll users, simply click on the bin icon and click Unenroll. The user, as you can see here, is now not part of the course anymore and therefore also can't be seen in the participants overview list anymore. Let's now quickly enroll a cohort. This is probably the most efficient way of manually enrolling large amount of students. Of course, for that type of enrollment, you must have a cohort set up in your Moodle site. How that is done, you can see in my cohort video if you like. For now, let's just quickly check if I have a cohort set up. I'm not even sure about it. We go to Site Administration, which is hiding here sometimes, this weird button. Then we click Users, and select cohorts. And what you can see here is I do have a cohort set up. Let's quickly check how many users I have in that cohort. 3 students are currently in this cohort, which you can see in the left side of this cohort. You probably have a lot more, but it doesn't matter how many you have. It works with all numbers. When enrolling a cohort, I enroll all the users within the cohort rather than manually adding these users step by step like we've done before. So let's get back to our course. Select participants from the left-hand navigation and click on Enroll Users. Instead of selecting individual users, we now select the cohort. Just type in the name of the cohort. Moodle will again search for it, and you can select right from the drop-down menu. You can enroll as many cohorts as you like at the same time that are then displaying in the blue box up here. Don't forget to assign a role that the users of the cohort should have in the course. I say student again. You also have the enrollment duration options as I've shown you before, but I leave everything as it is and click Enroll Selected Users and Cohorts. And as expected, the 3 users of the cohort are displayed in the participants list now and therefore are enrolled in the course with the role of students. And that is very easy how you manually enroll individual students or entire cohorts. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, subscribe to my channel and hopefully see you again next time. Thank you.